Andy rocks. Andy rocks. I wanna rock. I wanna rock. Okay. Okay. Interesting choice. This isn't Dead by Daylight, sir. This is not Dead by Daylight. Clothesline. Maybe their headphones were on backwards, dude. Okay. 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 Bro, what is happening right now? Bro, what is happening, bro? What are we doing, guys? Okay. Alright, we got Maria and Anna left. Wow, this feed is so long. Jesus. Takes forever. Okay. Okay, okay. I don't get why you're getting a tool there, but okay. Jesus Christ, dude. How's Battery looking, by the way? She just opened a door. She just got 200 more points. Hey, this door is left open. Oh, okay, Sissy's going in the house. Yeah, make sure you lock the doors behind you, please. I'm gonna go check Battery.
Yeah, bro, I think that's Sissy, bro. Just leaving the doors unlocked.
Yeah, she might be trolling. I'm not sure. It happens sometimes.
I mean, honestly, you've been doing pretty well. We only got like one victim, so wouldn't hurt.
Paralyzed memory. Weird. Weird, bro. Weird. Oh, there she is. She's under the house, by the way. She just came up the ladder exit in the under the house. That missed? What? Dang, she is juking me, bro. Not bad. Okay, didn't really juke me that time, but not bad, not bad. And she's in-capped. Rip. Unlucky, bro. Unlucky. Unlucky. That is not a good idea if you're going in there. Oh, she did go up it. She's under the house again. I think she's going to Grandpa. Okay, she's faster than I thought she was. Now I gotta open this door and shut it back. Is she fighting? Oh yeah, she is.
Yeah, she did.
Nice.
GG's.
GG. Okay, this Julie's got 100 points already. Interesting. There's 2 of them over here. Nice. Got him. Oh man. Good times. Is this Anna still over here? She is. What the hell? What the hell? Oh shit. I messed that up. Why is this left open? Hey Johnny, if you want to rush the basement, that's fine, but make sure you lock the door behind you. Why did you run right into me? Okay, I think these victims have no idea what they're doing. Alright, where's this Johnny at? He's chasing the Connie. GG. Ooh. I get to carry a fart lady? Aw, don't DC. Come on, bro. You have to watch me give you the gallows. Boricua, morena, boricua. There we go. Gallows the fart lady. Yes, sirree, Bob. Yes, sirree, Bob. Yes, sirree, Bob. This Connie has a lot of points. Connie has a lot of points. I don't know, man. It's kind of scary. 900 pointeroonies. Pointeroonies. Oh, she get out? Nice. Oh wait, we have a Nancy? Oh. I thought I heard a Nancy trap go off, but then I was like, wait, I thought we had a hitchhiker. Oh, there's a Maria. Ooh, there you are, peekaboo. Ooh, I get another gallows? Oh, I get another gallows, nice. 2 in 1 game, dude. Nice, dude. 2 gallows, 1 game, dude. This actually happened a couple times to me. Getting 2 gallows in 1 game. I don't think I've gotten 3 yet, though. Not a personal record. Kind of feel bad because it's Maria, but unlucky, dude. Nice shoes. Wait, Maria has nice shoes. What the heck? She's got like Converse or something. Wait, that's kind of crazy, bro. Just keep spamming it.